Turn on your right turn signal. Important, otherwise this method won't work. Keep at least 2 feet of side distance. Align the rear bumper with the cone at the entrance of the parking space. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right and start reversing. Look in the left mirror. Reverse and stop as soon as the corner cone appears in the side mirror. Straighten the steering wheel, tilt the mirror down, and continue reversing until the rear wheel reaches the line. Turn the wheel fully left and reverse until your car enters the parking area. Straighten the steering wheel and adjust the car if needed to center it in the parking space. But there's one problem. Many drivers do everything correctly and still hit the cones, because the mistake happens before the car even starts turning. I already made a full breakdown about that on the channel.